Hey, if you have a JBL Go 4 speaker but you are not sure if your speaker is original, then treat this video as so-called legit check. I will show you exactly every part of the speaker and its box, so we can check if your speaker is original or not original. In my case, the speaker actually comes from the official JBL site. I actually get it from this website. So let's go into the video. Okay, so that's all from the speaker. Now I'm gonna show you the box. I'm gonna zoom out. The box might looks a little bit different depend of your region, but that's how it looks in the Europe actually. Okay, and that's all for this video. Right now, please tell me if your speaker is original or not, and leave a like under this video.